Welcome to my channel today. It's a delight to be here with you. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. On this channel, I do all things beauty. I give beauty tips. I do skin products review. Whatever angle that I love is what I do on this channel. So if you love what I do, please consider subscribing. This video a thumbs up. That would really be of great help to me. Thank you. In this video, I will be talking of skin roughness and how to do with rough skin. I got a question on skin roughness and how to deal with it. So I thought I would, in this video, give you a few tips. What could have happened that caused the smooth skin roughness and how to deal with it. Skin roughness could be as a result of a lot of factors. Firstly, it could be by reason of genetic factor. That means that you inherited rough skin from your parents. That could be the reason that your skin is rough. It could also be as a result of eczema, sagging skin, sunburn, environmental pollution, skin tags and all that, and those I don't want to go into the medical part of it because that's not my area. So stress could also be the result why your skin is rough. Excessive exposure to sun could also be the reason why your skin looks and feel rough. Using fake products. If you use fake products, or if you've ever used fake products, it could also result in damage or rough skin. So I will be giving you a few tips on how to deal with rough skin, what to do and what not to do. And also, one of the things also that could cause rough skin, aging is one of the reasons that the skin could become rough. Aging really does affect the skin, such that you start to have saggy skin, loose skin. If you were overweight and you lost weight without adequate exercises, your skin could become saggy. And for women, hormonal changes are the real culprits of roughness of skin. When the body no longer produces all the hormones that it used to produce when you were much younger, that helped your skin be firm, helped your skin to look nourished and beautiful. So it could result in rough looking skin. And what I would encourage that you do in that case is to supplement your meals. I'm not talking about eating healthy yet. It's to supplement your meals. You could add vitamins have vitamins that you take daily. I take vitamins and they really help me. I take the Well Woman. I take the Well Woman 50 plus. That's what I take every day. And so taking vitamins will really be of immense benefit if you are pre-menopausal or you are already in menopause. So taking vitamins will really be of great help to you because they provide the nourishment that your body really needs, but your body is unable to reproduce, unable to produce for itself. They go a long way to benefit your health and help boost your immune system and help your skin also. You could also add fatty, what is it called now? Omega-3 fatty acids. You could add that to what you take every day. Take collagen. You can add that to your drinks and shakes and drink that up. It really would benefit you if you are over 40. If you're over 40, taking these multivitamins will really help boost your health and help improve your skin elasticity, which is what helps your skin to be firm. It will be a good thing if you would add that to your diet. Now I'm going to talk about diet because diet is of great benefit to the skin, because wellness and beauty starts from inside. It starts from inside. You are what you eat. So cutting down on junk food will be a good thing. Cut down on junk food. You want to reduce eating a lot of fatty things. Cut out the high calorie diets that you eat. It would help your skin if you would do that. Then stay away from sugar drinks. Consuming a lot of sugar will not be ideal, but you can consume honey instead of sugar. That will be of great benefit to your skin. Eat foods that are rich in antioxidants. Eat foods that are rich in fiber that would help your digestive system, help you process food a bit faster, because as you age, your digestive system becomes slower. So when you take food that are rich in fiber, they help your digestive system do better. So your digestive system will no longer be sluggish. You eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, your body is able to deal with the free radicals that are in the system. Your body is able to deal with the free radicals because you're strengthening your immune system with all those things that you eat, especially fruits and vegetables. Any food that is in season, consume it a lot more. I like avocados. I eat avocados because they are healthy, contains healthy fat, will help your skin look good, give you a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, contains fiber that would help also. It's rich in good fats. Eat a lot of fish because fish is good for your skin, contains vitamin A and would help your skin. Vitamins A, C and zinc are quite good for your skin, so you will look for food that are rich in these kinds of vitamin for you to consume. Another culprit that would make your skin look dull and rough is not getting enough sleep. If you do not get enough sleep, your body will not be well rested and it will not have the capacity to recover quickly from certain things. So I encourage you to get your beauty sleep. It's called beauty sleep for a reason. That is because it will help your skin look better and refreshed. You will not have sleep and tired look on your face. You will not have your under eyes will not be swollen. You will not have excessive wrinkles on your face. So sleep is actually good for you. It helps the body to recover adequately. So learn to sleep, and sleep can be for about 8 hours. And sometimes you may just say, oh, I don't have enough time to sleep. Of course we all have enough time to sleep if we will just do it well. Let me tell you what I do. I like my beauty sleep because I know it's really healthy. So what I do, sleep does strengthen the immune system. So you would learn that sleep really does benefit you. So what I do is that I go to sleep early. I go to sleep as early as 8:30. I'm ready to log out and just sleep. And then when I sleep like that, I can wake up early and do whatever I want to do. So I start my day early. So sleep is quite good for you and will help your skin look refreshed. Your skin will refresh itself whenever you sleep. Restful sleep are very essential. There are some times you are very busy and you are like, oh, I don't have all the time in the world to take a good sleep. Sleeping for a long time may not be so key to restful sleep, because you can sleep for a long time and it is not restful. But you can take power sleep, power naps, and then you are really refreshed. That means sleeping for a short time, but it is quality sleep. So sleeping restfully is key to you looking beautiful. Stress is another thing that really disturbs the skin. If you stress the small stuff, it's going to tell on your skin. You always look tired and worn out and looking stressed out. In order for you for your skin not to look so stressed out always, because when the skin is stressed out, it will look dull, it will look uneven, it will generally just look dull and rough. So when you don't stress the small stuff, you will look beautiful. So cut out stress from your life. Anything that causes you to stress up, cut it out. Don't give it time. If there are thoughts that come to you, kill the thoughts. You don't need them in your life. Okay? So keep your mind full of the word of God. Keep your mind full of the things that excite you, that make you happy. That way you will remove stress from your life and you'll surely look more beautiful. Exercising is a good thing. everything in moderation. You may not like to exercise a whole lot. I don't like to exercise a whole lot, so you're not the only one. But there's this channel, Discovering Naturals. She's fantastic. Shola is her name, Discovering Naturals. She's fantastic. She does exercising. She looks firm, she looks young, she looks beautiful. She's always pumped up, looking beautiful. I tell you, I enjoy watching her exercise routines, and I think you will do well also to add a bit of exercise to your life. If you don't like running, jogging, all those stuff, you can do quick walks. I prefer to do quick walks. When I was in this town where I could run, when I was in Benin, I could go to the golf course and go jogging in the morning. I could do 2 laps around that field, you know, but hey, I'm no longer there, so I don't have opportunities to do that anymore. But taking short walks and quick walks would really help you. Exercise is proved to be great, to be very beneficial for your health, for your skin, because when you sweat, it opens up your pores, and you are able to sweat out toxins and all the wrong things. So sweating is good for you. Do involve in a little bit of exercise that is profitable for you. With having a skin routine, the cleaning and the exfoliating, bathing your skin with a good soap is essential. You cannot take that away. You've got to bathe your skin with good soap and a lot of water. Then you've got to exfoliate your skin. Not exfoliating your skin will make your skin look rough, will make your skin look dull. So in order for your skin not to look dull and rough, you've got to exfoliate your skin and take your skin routine seriously. The cleansing of your skin, I have a few videos on how to cleanse your skin, so go check out my videos. I will link some videos in the description box so that you can easily access them. So you've got to, one, know your skin type. Know your skin type and know the products that work for you. When you know the products that work for you, use them and stick with them. Your skin will really turn out beautiful. Then exfoliating removes the dead layers of skin from your body. You cannot not exfoliate. So you've got to exfoliate, and exfoliate real good. Exfoliate every 3 days. That removes the dead layers of skin from your skin, revealing newer and better skin. So then don't forget your hands and your feet. They are the part of your body. They do a bulk of the walking and all that you do. Your feet really carry you everywhere. Your hands do a lot of things. So take care of your hands and your feet also. Build up a beauty routine that works for you and you alone. My videos that I have on skin routines, they may not be 100% what you need. Take what you need from those videos and add them to what is working for you that would really help your skin be beautiful. Don't overlook your lips. You've got to exfoliate your lips, scrub your lips. If you have an old brush that you are no longer using, an old toothbrush I mean, use that to brush your lips from time to time. That will take off the dead layer from your lips and reveal a newer, smoother skin, so that your lipstick can glide smoothly over your lips. And or if you are a guy, you use lip balm on your lips. So you've got to exfoliate and really clean your lips. Use moisturizer for your skin. You've got to use a skin cream for your body. I have a video that details different kinds of skin, who should use a cream and who should use a lotion. I already have a video on that. I'll link it in the description box so that you will know which is better for your skin. But it's a good thing to follow up your bathing with a moisturizer. There are lots of people who don't use moisturizers on their body, and what happens is that your skin becomes dry, becomes scaly and rough. The reason being that when you go about your daily duties of life, the weather, the environment beats against your skin, and then the pollution also settles on your skin. But if you have a layer of moisturizer or skin cream on your body, it goes to protect your skin. It helps to trap in moisture, first of all, that will help your skin be supple and soft. Then it will form a barrier against the elements of the world that would want to disrupt your skin. So when you bathe away that and you apply a new one. Moisturizers plump up your skin by putting back what the bathing with soap and water removed. The cream and the lotion puts back that moisture that your skin needs, and then it will help your skin to plump up. It wouldn't look dry and rough. Most people complain of rough skin, and people really do not use good moisturizers on their skin. So use good moisturizers for your skin, and your skin will look beautiful. Now, one key thing you must follow when you are applying lotion to your body is to apply your lotion while your skin is still damp. I'm not saying rub your cream on a wet body. No, when you've towel dry your body, apply your lotion immediately. That helps to trap water in the skin, and that helps your skin to remain hydrated for a long time. And hydrated skin is beautiful skin. Hydrating yourself from within is so key. When we talk about beauty, I can't emphasize that enough. Drink water every day. Drink a lot of water. Some measure the water that they drink. If you can measure the water that you drink, all well and good. If you can't measure the water that you drink, just drink water. Drink several cups of water a day, because water helps to filter your blood. It helps to filter your blood. It helps to flush out toxins from your body. It helps the body not to poison itself, because when you do not drink adequate water, when you have too much toxins in your body will poison itself. So drink a lot of water so that your body will have enough to flush itself out, flush the toxins out of your system, and you hydrate yourself from within. You know, one thing I observe about drinking water, especially when I've not had water for a long time, maybe I am fasting and then I break by and I start by drinking room temperature water. Immediately that water goes into my system. My skin immediately just starts to do, you know, as though it is drinking up the water I drank into my system, not even that I put on my body. So that lets me know that body really does require water. Please drink enough water daily. Then lastly, I will say to you, stay out of the sun as much as possible. If you want a beautiful glowing skin, you've got to stay out of the sun as much as possible. When you stay out of the sun, the damaging UV rays will not damage your skin. And so how do we go about our lives every day without stepping into the sun, especially when you live in a place like Nigeria where the sun is forever hot? This is what I encourage you to do. Have an umbrella. Have your sunglasses. If you like, you can have a hat, you know, and use that always. Use that always. Then wear clothes that will cover you up so that the sun does not hit your skin directly. This will help protect your skin. That's not rocket science, because when you pull off your clothes, you see the part of your body that the sun does not beat so constantly looks fresher, looks more beautiful than the part of your body that the sun beats always. That lets you know that keeping out of the sun will really, really help you. And wearing adequate clothing that cover you very well when you're going into the sun will go a long way to protecting your skin from damaging UV rays. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again in another one. Stay beautiful. Bye-bye.